Hey, my friend, do you wanna speak English but you feel shy? No worries, cause you are not alone. Many people feel the same way. Even I was just like you. And listen carefully. You don't need perfect English to start speaking. And today, I'm gonna tell you a secret. Look, the secret is simple. Speak a little every single day and try to learn English in a practical way. Yes, in a practical way. Only practice can make you stronger. Just look around you and describe what you see in English and try to make some sentences with easy words. I can give you a lot of examples. For example, look, this is the sidewalk. And right now, I'm walking on the sidewalk while I'm recording this video. After then, there are a lot of cars are parked on the roadside parking and some of the cars are moving on the road. In addition, look at the beauty of this beautiful mosque behind me. And you can see the beautiful mosque is standing with its amazing design and light. And look at those lights are glowing beautifully. See, did you feel something? It's not difficult, right? No big grammar, no stress, only practice. And now, remember this golden rule. Confidence is more important than grammar. And mistakes are okay. That's how I learn. And I would like to say mistakes are our teacher because every single mistake makes you stronger from your inside. And you know what? I also make mistakes. Maybe I'll make a lot of mistakes while I'm recording this video, guys. If you find my mistakes, let me in the comments. That will help me to improve my English speaking skills. And you can also learn something by finding them. And today, I give you a challenge. Speak 5 English sentences out loud. Can you do that? Yes, you can. And if you practice daily, your progress will surprise you. After 1 week, your confidence will grow. After 2 weeks, you will feel the change. And after 1 month, you will look back and then you will say, wow, I can speak English now. So don't wait, my friend. Start now. Speak your first 5 English sentences right now. Let's do it together, today, and right here. I'll see you in the next one. Peace. Salam alaikum.
Subscribe to Riyadul, and Riyadul, he have muscles. So he will teach us how to get muscles also.